So I saw a lot of people on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere doing their own DIY lash extensions, and consider me influenced because I got some. So let's try them today. Hi everyone, it's Lily. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be trying those DIY lash extensions. So I got mine from Amazon and let's see how they do. So they come in that little package. I wasn't expecting much. Honestly, they were very not expensive. But I get this little tweezer. It's very useful. And this is the seal and the bond. So I'm gonna check the seal. Okay. So it looks like this. Pretty liquidy. Pretty transparent as well. And the bond. Okay, the bond is black and it comes with a tinier brush. So now let's see. Ooh. It's pretty. So I got the Lash clusters one, and like apparently they do kind of like a manga effect, so I hope it'll do. So I'm gonna try curling my lashes first just to make the application easier. So as you can see, I already did kind of like my base makeup just so I don't look dead, because honestly last night I did not sleep great, but it doesn't show. So now that my lashes are curled, I'm gonna start with the longest one and I'm gonna apply the bond first. Ooh, this is exciting. So I'm applying the bond on my lashes. Ooh, it gets them like wet. So it's kind of like applying mascara. Now that the bond is applied, let's try putting some. So I'm taking the longest one. I'm gonna apply it at the end. Ooh, it's staying nicely. I'm gonna take another of the long one, put it right beside. Okay, so far it's looking really pretty. I take another of the long one. Okay, now I'm gonna start with like the medium one. Wow. Yeah, this is looking really cute. Honestly, I don't see like the very much of a manga effect, but they be looking really cute. Wow. I wonder if I should put some on my lower lash line. I feel like it would be cute. So far so good. So then I'm gonna take this seal them. I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to do that. I think that's it. Wow. Okay, now I'm gonna do this second one, my second eye. So I'm taking the seal, no, the bond. Oh my god. Gonna start applying 3 long one and 1 medium one. That's what I'm gonna try to do for this one as well. Now the medium one. This is honestly a lot easier than I thought. I'm really surprised. They're looking really good. Okay, now the seal. Oh my god, I got lashes. I feel like they look really cute. The only thing is that I wish they were more like manga-like, but it's alright. We'll do with that. But then I'm gonna take my tweezer again and kind of like press, like clamp them together. Wow, so honestly I think they look really good. Really proud of myself. I think I did well. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be right back. Here you go. So here's the final look with my hair and my makeup done. So makeup, I really did something super easy. I literally just added some eyeliner and some glitter. And yeah, no, I really like it. I feel like the lashes look really good and they're really comfortable. Like, honestly, they just feel like normal fake eyelashes on my eyes. And yeah, no, I really like them. So I'm really excited to see how long they last. So on the package, it said that they would last from 48 to 72 hours. So we'll see. I'm gonna have to sleep with them, so I don't know, like, are they that comfortable to sleep with? We'll see. I'm really excited to see. So yeah, I'll make another video in like 48 to 72 hours and let's see how long they last on me. But yeah, no, I'm really excited. I really like them and I'm super, super happy I got them. Like, I don't remember the price. I think it was like, it was definitely less than $20. And yeah, no, really like them, really recommend them, honestly. And pretty happy with the results. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love you guys and hope I see you guys in the next one as well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.